Hello, welcome back to lecture 5. In this lecture, we're going to talk about comments, all right? What are comments? What are they used for? Blah, blah, blah. You get it, all right? So, let's begin our program with what? Include IOStream, all right? You should be very familiar with typing this, and you should have memorized it pretty well already. Int main, right? And now what do we want? We're gonna output some code, right? Using this cout statement. Let's do, alright. It's gonna be called subbro, alright? Now let's pretend you completely forgot what C++ is, alright? And you just completely forgot the language. Well, what you do is you can write a comment to remind yourself. So see how I wrote these two slashes, not like this, but like together, one character apart. And now I can write whatever I want here, and the compiler, which is this entire website, it's an online compiler, it will not read this code. Now, if you remove these two lines and you click run, yeah, see, there's gonna be so many errors, right? And we don't want errors, do we? So, in order for us to type all this stuff, we want to put two slashes there. Now, when we click run, our code runs just fine, and our compiler, which is this thingamadoodle, this entire interface, will actually skip this. Alright, but let's try writing something that actually makes sense, alright? What does cout do? Well, what is it doing right now? It's pretty much greeting the user with a friendly gesture. So we're gonna write greet the user, all right? And so this is to remind us, okay, this line of code means, okay, greet the user, all right? Let's try something else. Let's make the user type something, and we're gonna store it in the variable answer, all right? And so what does this line of code do? Well, it stores the value of the answer. Let's see. Yeah, stores the user's answer, alright? So now if we click run, sup bro, I'm like, yeah, sup bro to you. That's our code, alright? But that doesn't look very good, right? See how when we clicked run, we don't want to type right here. Let's bring it down to a what? To a new line, right? So we're gonna use /n, whoops, /n, okay? So run, and now see, when we type, it used to be like over here, but now it's on a new line, so we can be like, doing alright, bro. And see, that's how it works. Alright, these are comments. How about, let's try something like this, alright? Let's make a new int, we'll call it x, and we'll make it equal to what? 5, alright? Now, the program will greet the user, ask the user to type in his response. Now, we're going to add the value of x plus 1. This, right here, means x plus 1. So, let's write a comment. Add 1 to the value of x. Okay, and now let's display what x equals. So we're going to use cout x. Alright, let's write a comment to say what it does. What does it do? displays the value of x. All right, let's click run. It's gonna ask us subbro. Well, what are we gonna type? We're gonna be like, oh yeah. Okay, and it does 6. Why does it do 6? Well, x is equal to 5. X plus 1 equals 6. Alright, and that's what we got here. But we can also do other stuff. We can do what? Watch this. Plus equals 3. That means it's going to add 3 to the value of x. But we can't do this, x plus 3. Why? It's going to give us a big error. See? Well, it's not necessarily an error. I was wrong. But it will give us a warning because this literally does nothing, okay? So, plus equals means x equals x plus 3. That's what it means. So, let's try it again. Sup, bro? Thanks. 8. 5 plus 3 equals 8. How cool is that? Alright? But this is not the only place we can do math. We can do math over here. Let's try it. So, x. How about x minus equals 37? That means it's going to subtract 37 from x. First, it's going to add 3 and then subtract 37. Let's try it out. Oh my goodness. Look what it did. Oh, I see what I did wrong. Okay, so we're not... Okay, so just don't put an equal sign there. Sup, bro? Doing good? Negative 29, why? Well, it gets 5, adds 3, and then subtracts 37. And so we pretty much made a program that what? It does math for us. And that's pretty cool. So we learned how to output stuff to the console, how to get the user's response, and how to do some basic math stuff, alright? Now, let's show how to do multiplication and even division. Oh, whoops, I dropped my pen, I'm sorry. Multiplication and division. How about, let's multiply x times 37 with the asterisk right by the number 8. So now it's gonna give us a really big number. 296. Pretty cool, huh? We just made a program that. How about let's make a program. Alright. And yeah, this is pretty much what comments are used for. And how to use different functions. You can even use times equal. This will, oh, that won't work, will it? I see. Alright. But, as you guys just saw, I highly suggest for you to just mess around with yourself and see if you can figure it out. And just honestly have fun and just rearrange stuff all around. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.